Hi guys, I am here today to tell you about my favorite new sunscreen product that I've been using for a few weeks now. It is Shiseido's Clear Stick UV Protector for face and body in SPF 50. I love this product because it's completely clear, so it goes on clear, it's perfect for all skin tones, doesn't make you oily or greasy or shiny or any of that. I have super oily skin, so usually one of my first things that I wonder about sunscreen face products is this gonna make me even shinier than I already am? But this is an amazing product. Another thing I love about this is that it's perfect for on the go because it's in stick form, but also you can reapply it over your makeup as you need, and that just makes it so much more convenient than traditional sunscreen. And now I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to apply this right over your makeup. Does not smudge your makeup, doesn't make you shiny, goes on super smooth. Another thing I love about this product is that it has WetForce technology, meaning as you sweat or if you're in water, this is actually going to work with that to provide you with even better protection. So you can protect your skin from the sun, from aging, and it's just super convenient. You can throw it in your bag, reapply it over your makeup as you need. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.